Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks!
What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got a very interesting reveal slash unboxing to share with you guys. I'm going to say this real quick. If you're not subscribed, or if you're not sure, go and check. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel with the notifications turned on. You're definitely going to want to be after you finish this video, if you're not already. Thanks so much to my generous patrons who are supporting me right now. There's a link for Patreon right down below. And please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. All right, so I have a SPYDERCO to unbox, and I think a lot of you can probably guess what it is. I've been talking about adding one of these to my collection for a while now, something I said I was really excited about. The SPYDERCO Smock, Blade HQ exclusive in CPM M4 and the Jade, right? Great, good for you, Metal Complex. You got one to add to your collection. Wait a sec, don't leave yet. I've got something to share with you guys. So, when these dropped, I was actually in Vegas. I was there for 5 days total. Well, it was 4 days plus travel. So actually, two friends, Levon from the Knife Nuts podcast and my buddy Ricky, who a lot of you guys know, helped me acquire this. So thank you to them. I really appreciate that. There was no way that I was going to be able to operate an electronic device of any That wasn't going to happen. So thank you. Why did it take two people? Because I didn't just get one. I actually ended up getting two. Right? So there's no reason for me to keep two. I definitely wanted to add one to my collection. And by the way, if you're wondering, yes, I did pay full price for both of these. Blade HQ did not hook me up. SPYDERCO did not hook me up. Nope. I paid for both of them. You guys know that I like to give stuff away on this channel. I love giving stuff away. That's kind of why I said make sure you're subscribed. Because at some point in the near future, I will be giving this away. No strings attached. You don't need to join any special programs. You don't need to be a part of my Patreon or anything like that. It's just, I like to say thank you periodically, and I knew that this was going to be one that people were going to want. Surprise, you guys seem to like the SPYDERCO exclusives and sprint runs, right? Now, but I have been looking forward to adding a smock to my collection for a long time, so I am going to be keeping one. They are identical. I looked them both over. They're perfect, so there's no reason for me to like keep a better one and get, no, they're both great. So, I know people are going to be asking me, how do we enter? How do we do this? This is not the entry video. I'm just revealing this, letting you guys know, right? I would show you guys everything that I acquire for myself personally, but this time, you know, there's an extra one here that you guys are going to have a chance to win. I don't know when I'm going to do it, how I'm going to do it, but it will be very soon, and everybody who's watching will have an opportunity to win it. So I think, I figured you guys would be pretty excited about this. I'm excited about it. These things are awesome. And now that, like, you know, Flightanium makes a bajillion parts for these, and other companies, other aftermarket companies make different parts and things. I think that these, at least the one that I have, will probably end up being customized, but I won't mess with the other one. The other one will remain completely and totally mint and perfect, other than me removing the tape from the baggie, but whoever ends up with it will receive everything that came with it as if you purchased it directly from Blade HQ. It will probably be a live event. That's all the information that I can really give you at this point. But yeah, I hope you guys are excited. I think this is really cool. And the combination button lock, I mean, everybody knows about the smock. I think the combination button lock the combination button slash compression lock is really cool, and it works really well on this particular knife. So yeah. Anyways, guys, make sure that you're subscribed. Make sure, even if you think you are, right? Make sure you're subscribed. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. Also, follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, you're excited, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.